What's good, everybody? It's your boy Marcelino back. So, 25k funding talent challenge. How's it going? What's going on? How am I finding the server? And so on. Let's speak about how it's actually going. I find myself just taking some dumbass trades, guys. A dumb trade today. Such a dumb trade. I'm so upset. I was planning on taking another trade, in all honesty. I was really planning on taking another trade, but my rules are take one trade a day for this week. So what I'm going to be doing is only taking one trade per day and hopefully follow those rules. Okay, I'm going to close the charts for the rest of the day. I'm not going to look at a single chart further on. I know this NFP, I was even thinking like, if I can get another trade in my second session, then I'm fine. But my second session has passed. I'm very glad that I didn't actually get another trade, because if I found one, I can more than likely guarantee you that I would have broke that rule that says take one trade for this week. But I'm really looking forward to next week, guys. I'm really looking forward to next week. So right now we're down 0.75%. A very bad week for me. I shouldn't have actually traded this week. I should not have traded this week. But then in essence, like if you look at it, if people are actually doing the challenge and they're taking 1% per trade, their one trade would have covered if they lost one trade, it would have been as big as a loss as my whole week this week. So we are keeping losses like very small, which is really good. So yeah, guys, I am thinking of doing a video just breaking down everything about finding talent, but the server seems quite good. I did see within the finding talent Discord, so when you do sign up, you email support, you tell them you want to be put in the Discord, they send you a link, and then you can then get into the Discord. So I did see that there was a couple of questions about spread today, but personally I haven't encountered, like when I was looking at Ep.5 on my desktop and on my phone, I wasn't encountering any of those problems where spread just increased. But I only trade the major pairs, so GBP, USD, Euro, USD, AUD. So all of those, like those spreads were relatively low as per usual. So one point and then 2 points every now and then, 3 points every now and then, depending obviously on the volatility. So yeah, what I'm gonna be doing, guys, over the weekend, most probably over this weekend, just making a video for you guys about rules on finding talent, the finding talent server, everything got to do with finding talent, whether you should go with it, what are my thoughts after being 1 week into the challenge. And yeah, so that's my update for today. I'm probably going to see if I can run through the finding talent metrics for you guys sometime over the weekend too, probably in that video speaking about finding talent as well. So 3 trades taken this week, 3 losses, perfectly fine. We're looking forward to next week. Maximum trades that we should take is 10. You guys should hold me accountable to this. So maximum trades that we're taking next week is 10 trades, and then yeah, we're trading in our 2 trading sessions. If we don't take a trade, we don't take a trade. If we do find trades, we bang it out the park. I am hoping that volatility does kick in after NFP, and that next week is even better, because Monday and Tuesday was great, even though I didn't find any trades on Monday, which was a bit of a problem. Tuesday was good. I don't know what it was, the one rule per day type thing that was really keeping me behind. So hopefully next week is really good, guys, and hopefully some of you actually had profitable weeks. Share with me down below if you are profitable, and if you are profitable, tell me the percentage, like 5%, 3%, 10%, really good week of 20%. Let me know, guys. We're looking forward to next week. I will see you guys over the weekend, just speaking about the finding talent server, finding talent as a whole, whether you should go with them over other companies. And yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and